Assalamu alaikum. My name is Cordelia Gaffar. I am an emotional wellness coach and an author, and I have been on my own through self-study, been following the tradition of Unani Tibb for probably the past 18 years. And I started on that path to heal myself from postpartum depression. And then, of course, applied some of the things I learned to how I was supporting my children over the years and myself. I have been seeking for a long time an actual program where I can study it officially under a scholar and not just, grabbing resources here and there. So for me, um, it's just been a blessing to join the Tibb transformation program. And I do plan on continuing on in the practitioner curriculum because it's so important to me. And I just see so much value and in understanding how we can choose to build our constitution based on our body type. But we have this wealth of knowledge and all these scholars who have, through the years, just been really keeping this tradition. So I feel like this, in particular, the Tibb transformation program, is for someone who none of the diets have worked, none of the fad diets, none of the any diets have worked. They're sick of not being well. They're sick of being out of balance. And they just want to know the correct and most appropriate way to keep their body in balance. I feel that the College of Medicinal and Healing Arts is, a great resource for workshops, even if you're already like a regular doctor, an allopathic doctor, and you just want to have another world view on medicine. I also think it's, very supportive. Like I said, I'm an emotional wellness coach. For me, I have like a real deep passion for nutrition though. And for me, it's just like completely linked to our spiritual and emotional self. So like I said, I plan to go on into the practitioner program because I think it will definitely complement what I'm already doing. It's like the rest of the story. Um, and what else would I like to share? The most valuable part um, of this program for me has just been, you know, so much of what I have been studying about emotions and nutrition doesn't align with some of the spiritual values that I have. So it's just nice to have everything in one place. Some of the emotional extremes that I've been experiencing during this program are so easily spiritually addressed. And I love the seamlessness about that without the judgment, just with the purity of Islam and the purity of the resources that Allah has made available to us. So I just want to thank you for that. And I highly recommend the Tibb transformation course to anybody, and definitely the practitioner course. Thank you.